This nightmare fish can survive on land for days, hunting birds and small animals far from water. Northern snakeheads are evolving to become better land hunters. They can breathe air, move across ground like snakes, and survive without water for 3 days. They ambush prey from shallow water, dragging victims back to drown them. These fish are spreading across continents, adapting to become more efficient killers. Land-hunting fish are terrifying, but have you heard about the butterfly that's secretly a vampire in disguise?